In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automated appointment reminders in GoHighLevel, step by step so your clients actually show up to their call. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. One of the biggest problems that businesses face isn't getting booked, it's no-shows. You book a call, the calendar fills up, and then nobody shows up. That's exactly what appointment reminders are designed to fix. By the end of this video, you'll know how appointment reminders work inside GoHighLevel, how to set up SMS and email reminders properly, when reminders should go out for best results, and common mistakes that cause no-shows. If you want to follow along exactly as I do, you'll need access to GoHighLevel. There's a link in the description that gives you an extended 30-day free trial, so you can build this without rushing. Alright, let's jump in. Before we start clicking, it's important to understand how reminders work. In GoHighLevel, the calendar controls the appointment, and the workflow controls reminders and follow-ups. That means reminders don't live inside the calendar. They're triggered by the calendar. Why this matters? If you only create a calendar and skip workflows, no reminders will ever go out. So our first real step is making sure that we have a calendar to connect to. First, we need to go to the calendars tab, which can be found in the left column. Then you need to open the calendars you want reminders for. Then go to settings or edit calendar. Once you're in settings, go down to availability and make sure that your time zone is set correctly. Make sure that your appointment duration is set, your weekly available days and hours are all set properly, and that your calendar is active. To find out if your calendar is active, you will see a status bar, and below it, it will say if your calendar is active or not. So we can see that my strategy session is active. Why this matters? Reminders are tied directly to appointment time. If your calendar is wrong, your reminders will be wrong too. Once that's confirmed, we're ready to build the automation. You want to go back to your dashboard or home screen, scroll down to automation, and in the top right corner, we will create a new workflow from scratch. Right at the top where it says new workflow with a number, we can edit that and give our workflow a name. So I will name this appointment reminder. So now my automation has a name and it is labeled as appointment reminder. It's important to name your workflows because as you create more workflows in the future, clear names help you avoid sending the wrong reminders to the wrong people. Now let's tell GoHighLevel when this workflow should run. Now we need to add a trigger. So we will see a big plus sign that says add new trigger. Simply click that. Then we can choose the appointment status. So if we type in appointment status, we will see the trigger appear. Then we can simply click it and then we can edit it. So we can set the appointment status. So we want to select customer booked appointment. Once we have selected that, make sure you go to the bottom right corner and save this trigger. We will now see our newly added trigger. You can go back and edit this action, and we want to add a calendar, strategy session, or whatever calendar you would like to add, and save trigger. So now we have our trigger added and we have our calendar added as well. So this ensures reminders only take place after someone books an appointment, not before and not randomly. Now that GoHighLevel knows when to start, let's build the reminders themselves. Our next step is to add a weight below our first trigger. So if we select the plus sign, and we can either type weight or scroll down and look for it. It has been an item that I have recently used, so it is under my recent actions. So I will select weight, and then we can choose how long we would like it to wait for, minutes, hours, or days. So I will set this to 1 day and save action. So now we have our trigger followed by a wait of 1 day. This keeps reminders aligned with the appointment, even if someone books days or weeks in advance. Now we need to add an SMS action. So after our wait, we will go to the plus sign again and type in SMS. So we have send SMS. If we have a template, we could use our template. If not, we can simply type in a message. So we could say something like, hey, contact dot first name followed by our desired message. So I'm going to type in just reminding you of your appointment. Once you have completed adding your message, make sure you go to the bottom right corner and select save. You want to use personalized tokens whenever possible. This makes it feel human and not automated. Now we need to add another wait action. To do this, just below SMS, we will add the plus sign again and scroll down and select wait. Once we have selected our wait action, we can choose how long we would like this wait to be. So for this wait, I want it to be 1 hour. Then save action. Then we can add another SMS or email. So below wait, we will add another SMS action. This one we will say, hey, quick reminder about your appointment. Save action. Why multiple reminders are important. 24 hours gives you awareness, whereas 1 hour equals an action. This combination drastically reduces no-shows. The next step is optional but powerful. You can add a confirmation message immediately after booking, or include a reschedule link in your reminder. If someone can't make it, rescheduling is better than ghosting. Even small improvements here save hours every week. Before publishing, it's important to test your workflows. Book a test appointment. Fast forward time if needed. Confirm that reminders trigger correctly. Most reminder issues come from skipped testing, not bad setups. Once everything looks good, it's ready to publish. To publish, go to the top right corner and toggle the button from draft to publish. Our reminders will now run automatically, trigger for every new booking, and reduce no-shows without manual work. Check conversations occasionally to confirm that messages are sending properly. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. Don't forget to publish your workflow. Make sure you are using the right calendar for those reminders. Don't send too many reminders because you don't want to overwhelm your customer. And make sure you personalize your message so it feels human and not robotic. Simple fixes equals big results. If you followed along, you didn't just set up reminders. You built a system that protects your time and increases show up rates automatically. Once appointment reminders are in place, your calendar works for you instead of against you. If you want to build this inside your own account, you can use the link in the description to get an extended 30-day free trial as opposed to the 14-day trial. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Using that link helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free GoHighLevel tutorials. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another GoHighLevel tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.